construction is one of the four main contributors of carbon emissions. Singapore actually contributes quite a bit in terms of carbon footprint. We use a lot of machinery, a lot of concrete. For every kilogram of concrete being cast, 1 kilogram of carbon dioxide is being released into the air.
With carbon emission coming into the picture, it will change the entire ROI evaluation, because then we will have the factor of carbon and how much it really costs to the world.
The RSP.SM Energy Group was formalized in 2022. Even before that, RSP Group has already been doing a lot of buildings that are very sustainable. It started off with Xiling's in Changi Business Park. That was even before the Green Mark Platinum certification came out. It was already deemed to be compliant to all the standards for the Green Mark Platinum. We have done the SIT University Campus Plot 2. In SIT, we have achieved Green Mark Platinum with 2 super low energy buildings. The NTU Academy block also is a Green Mark Platinum building.
We have seen more of such initiatives in the last few years because of the bigger push by the government, and companies wanted to do more for the environment.
The focus of M&E engineer for Squire Mech has always been reducing, recovering, and reusing. So this is an extension of what we normally do.
We saw the need to have a focus group that involves the RSP architects, Squire Mech, the M&E engineers, the RSP structural engineers, to tackle the issues of sustainability and carbon footprint. When we design our buildings, it is our job to make sure that all the buildings that we design have as minimal a carbon footprint as possible. The group is looking at various proposals for clients, one of which involves hotels. Hotels in Singapore are quite energy guzzling. So we are looking to make sure that all the hotels can be as energy efficient as possible. Other areas that we're focusing on is the rejuvenation of retail malls.
We will be assessing how they can be more energy efficient and eventually become a super low energy building. To achieve this, we are aiming 60% of energy saving.
We've secured 2 major mixed development that's going into construction. For that, we have employed many sustainable solutions that would not just meet sustainable goals, but will also meet different operating conditions.
As we move towards newer projects, we will be bringing in all our expertise and newer technology in our solutioning for our clients. We will continue to broadcast or educate all our peers within the RSP group.
When it comes to mentor the younger generation, it's about helping them to gain the technical knowledge first.
Educating them on newer technology, some of the nuances of the carbon credit system, and how we can improve our energy conservation efforts within the office of our clients as well.
Next then is through active involvement in actual projects so that they can better learn practical application.
One of them, Take Room, is involved in a studio with SUTD. Within this studio, we are looking at how the fashion industry creates a lot of waste and what can architecture help in terms of reducing the carbon footprint through recycling or upcycling of materials.
The young people must realize that the contribution they are providing to a job is very impactful. And I believe we have enough story to tell them for them to take on this profession and grow with it for the future.